Namaste, Periyava Sharanam. Scientific details in the Achara Shastras. In the recent times, the present generation of people have come to view our Acharas with some sort of reverence and regard. Those English educated people who were decrying on Shastras as mere superstitions have changed to some extent. Though science and spiritualism seem to be opposed to each other with the improvement of science and new inventions, these people look with wonder at our Shastras, which have in them all the facts about these new developments in very ancient times when our people did not possess laboratories and the many modern and sophisticated instruments and appliances. Very recently, the Russian scientists who are atheists and skeptical about God have declared that we can overcome and ward off the effects of many pollutants, including atomic radiation, by using the smoke coming out of the cow dung cakes, and they have praised our doing the homas. Like this, the many kind of sticks put in the homa kunda, when they spread the smoke, acts as an antiseptic agent as told by our medical scientists, that is doctors. They say that the tulasi, bilvam and darbha grass which are used in our deva pujas and shastra karmas have a sound basis in science and medicine. In olden days, people jeered at us when we said that we should put darbha grass in every article and close it during eclipses. But these people now write and say that there occurs a lot of contamination in the atmosphere and upper regions during the eclipse, and these affects even the child in the mother's womb, and that there is a lot of meaning in placing a restriction to have food during eclipse. They say that the darbha grass has the power to counteract these bad effects. If all of us are taught about all the sciences, it will end up with everyone making an atom bomb. So, only to stall this danger, our ancients thought it good to give only the required knowledge and keep the rest hidden or in secret, and gave out the imaginary stories to enable the layman to stick to our Shastra rules. But this may not be a whole truth, because we may not be able to know or comprehend the Leelas of the omnipotent God. Some people accuse that our ancient people concealed the scientific truths from all the people with the sinister intention that they should not get out of their limited circle of knowledge. This is also a very wrong conception. To give all the knowledge to all people who are not controlled in their mind will lead to danger, because most people do not restrain their mind. Science is improving and reaching to all men, but at the same time, we observe that our dharma is getting behind in the inverse ratio. Many hundred years ago, Bhojaraja in his Samarangana Sutra has written about the aeroplanes as Vyomayanam, yet he gave only a little of the theory about the aeroplanes and left without speaking about the practical procedures of making an aircraft. This is so not because he did not know it, but because the thought that there will be greater misery to the world by knowing all about these. Now we have seen the truth of his statements. The spreading of the world war to different continents was the result of the discovery and building up of new and sophisticated aircrafts. We see the bad and evil effects of science in the modern days when our intellect has developed before the improvement of human heart. That is why our ancient people ordained many things for the cultured and purified people. When science advances still further, our people will find that all our Shastras have a sure foundation in science. Periyava Sharanam.